Hi guys. So I was thinking about doing a live, but I think if I do a video, I think it would reach more persons. Anyhow, this video is for single ladies. I'm not saying you have to be single, but ladies who live by themselves, or young men who live by themselves, or old men who live by themselves, or old women who live by themselves. Okay, so Thursday morning, I woke up. I went to bed with both phones. I went to bed with this phone I'm using, plus an iPhone 15 that I got for Christmas. I went to bed with both phones. I went to bed at 2 a.m. I had this phone underneath my pillow, and I had the other phone beside me. When I woke up in the morning, I realized my other phone was missing. You know, you just wake up, you're not really at things, say, oh, somebody coming to your house, whatever it is. Nobody not think that. Anyways, I went to the bathroom, came back, started looking for the phone again. No phone. I stripped the bed, no phone. I lift the bed up, the mattress up, no phone. I look underneath the bed, no phone. I started panicking. I'm like, wonder if I'm a man come and they play a prank, but I'm like, he won't do those stupid stuff because he's never done that before. So I'm like, okay. Anyways, I went to the security. I live in a gated scheme. I went to the security guard at the gate and I said it to her. She was like, oh, you know that a neighbor came last night and said that someone tried to break in his house. What? And no one said anything. No one alerted the police. Anyhow, I left. I came back to my house. When I returned to my house, I sat in the couch. When I sat in the couch, I saw my back door swing open. So I'm like, this is impossible because I haven't gone in the kitchen from morning and I haven't even opened the back door. So, and I'm sure I closed the back door before I went to bed. Anyhow, I got up and I went and I shook the door with the phone. I didn't even touch the door. I shook the door with my phone. When I looked outside, I saw my purse and my saving pan outside. I started panicking. Then I realized my debit card is missing and some cash I had in my purse. I'm like, okay, someone really came in on me last night. Can you imagine someone coming in on you while you are sleeping? And guys, I don't sleep deep. I'm not a deep sleeper. Worse if I'm not tired. If I'm tired, then I will sleep deep. But once I'm not tired, I'm gonna be fully alert. Anyways, sitting there, I started crying because I'm like, wow, someone really came in on me last night. I always keep my laptop on the side table in my living room. When I look, the laptop, it's gone. I started crying even more because I'm like, how could someone come in my house without me even knowing? I was sleeping, but from my understanding, I think that they gave me a blow, which is a powdered substance which they blow inside the house for you to sleep. Guys, I was so traumatized. I'm still traumatized because every time I close my eyes, that's all I could think about. How I could lose my life in my sleep, in my house, in a freaking gated community. I called the police at 11 a.m. The police is like 15 minutes away from me. I called the police. They never came until 5 p.m. Guys, you hear what I said? They never came until 5 p.m. I'm like, I called, when I tracked the phone, I tracked the phone to Kingston. I'm like, this can't be real. The phone was in Kingston. Then the phone, somewhere in Kingston, I don't remember exactly the first location. Then the phone was in Clock Tower Plaza. Then the phone was in Hope Road. I'm like, nah. Went to Kingston, tracked the phone. The phone got connected when I went to the exact location. I never went with any police because I had called the police earlier on and told them what had happened, sent them every information, details, everything like that. They said that they couldn't do it. They can't do it because they have other things dealing with and they can't do that. I'm like, okay. But I'm just wondering, what kind of world are we, what kind of country are we living in? Why are we paying tax? Why do we need the police? I'm letting you guys know, like, just be alert. Just be on the lookout. Not have no faith in the police because them not gonna help. They pick and choose the crime that they want to solve. They pick and choose the crime that they want to go after. They don't care about us. Them no business. It don't make no sense. You call them if you have an emergency because them not gonna come. Them not gonna come. But I'm just putting this out there to let you guys be aware. Make sure all your doors are closed in the nights. Daytime too. All your doors, your windows, everything. Just be on the alert. If you have to keep one cutlass under your pillow, you hear any suspicious noise, you know what to do. Because you cannot rely on the police. Because imagine someone in the community call the police saying that there's a robbery. And you're telling me that even though you heard that, you never turn up? Come on. Come on. This is slackness. And I'm really, really, really disappointed in the force. I'm really disappointed in the force. And for me, for someone who don't do anybody nothing, me always help people. Me not expect this to happen to me. This is the last thing I'm expecting. But I'm just putting this out there for you guys to know what's going on. And just be alert. Be aware of your surrounding. Because to me, I'm assuming that because there was a construction going on next door, they mopped the place out and then they came back afterwards. So guys, just be on the alert. It can happen to anybody. It no matter how safe you think you be. It no matter which community you live in and how safe you think you be. Just protect yourself. Just be on the alert. Any liquor thing, listen out for any liquor thing. Because guess what? It can happen to you. It happened to me. I wasn't expecting it. Just protect yourself and be aware of your surrounding. That's all I'm saying. Have a good day.